Part D. Answer the following questions in brief. Number 1. List the main factors that determine the shape of a cell. Answer. Location and function. The shape of a cell mainly depend on where it is located in the body and what function it does. Second. Distinguish between unicellular and multicellular organisms. Give 2 examples of each. Answer. Unicellular organisms. Organisms that are made up of single cell. Multicellular organisms. Organisms that are made up of many cells. Unicellular organisms. Single cell performs all life functions. Multicellular organisms. Different cells perform different functions. Example of unicellular organisms, amoeba and bacteria. Multicellular organism example, human and birds. Question 3. Give reasons for the following. A. The cell is called the structural and functional unit of life. Answer. The cell is called the structural and functional unit of life because it forms the basic structure of all living things and perform all the essential functions needed for life, such as growth, energy production, and reproduction. B. Plant cells are more rigid than the animal cells. Answer. Plant cells have an extra outer layer called the cell wall, which the animal cell do not have. Fourth question. Which cell organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Why is it so called? Answer. Mitochondria is called as the powerhouse of the cell because it produces energy by breaking down food during cellular respiration. Or mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell because it produces energy in the form of ATP, and this energy is used to do all activities by the cell. Fifth question. Name the cell organelle is responsible for imparting color to the leaves and fruit of a plant. Answer. Chloroplast give green color to leaves because it contains chlorophyll. Chromoplast gives color to fruit and flowers. Number 6 question. What are cilia and flagella? Write one similarity and one dissimilarity between two of them. Answer. Similarity. Both are extensions on the cell membrane. Both are used for movement. Dissimilarity. Cilia are short and many in number. Flagella are longer and usually 1 to 2 in number. Question 7. If onion peel cell and cheek cells are observed through a microscope, state 2 major differences that the observer is likely to find. Answer. In onion peel cell, cells are arranged in a row. In cheek cell, cells are arranged randomly. In onion peel cells, cell wall is present. In cheek cells, cell wall is absent. Part E. Answer the following questions. Number 1. All the cells in an organism do not have the same shape. Justify the above statement by drawing at least 3 different cell types found in human beings. Answer. All cells in an organism do not have the same shape because they are, number 1, located in different parts of our body. Number 2, and perform different functions. Example, liver cell, irregular in shape. Fat cell, round or spherical. Muscle cell, long and spindle shape. This shows that not all cells in an organism are same. Where and how are chromosomes formed? State their significance. Where? Inside the nucleus of a cell during cell division. How? When a cell is going to divide, the thin chromatin thread present in the nucleus becomes short, thick, and visible. These are called chromosomes. Significance. Chromosomes carry genes which pass on character from parents to children. Question number 3. With the help of label diagram, highlight 3 differences between a plant cell and an animal cell. Answer. Three differences between a plant cell and an animal cell are: plant cell have cell wall, animal cell do not have. Cell wall is present in plant cell. Cell wall is absent in animal cell. Chloroplast and other plastids are present in plant cell. Chloroplast and other plastids are absent in animal cell. Vacuoles are large and present in plant cell. Vacuoles are either absent or present in very small amount in animal cell. Question number 4. Write the function performed by the following cell organelles. Number 1. Endoplasmic reticulum. Synthesis or make and transport protein and fats. Golgi complex. Packaging and sending material produced by the cell. Nucleus act like the brain of the cell and control all cell activities. Chromoplast. Chromoplast is a type of plastid responsible for providing colors to fruit, flower, vegetable, etc. Vacuoles work like storage bags. It stores water, food, and waste product. Mitochondria. It is known as the powerhouse of the cell as it produces energy in the form of ATP, and then this energy got used by cell for various functions. Question number 5. The cell membrane is a very important component of a cell. How is damage to the cell membrane likely to impact the function of a cell? Answer. Cell membrane is a protecting covering of the cell which protects the inner cell material from the environment. If it gets damaged, then the inner parts of the cell will leak out. Harmful things can enter the cell. All cell functions will stop. Cell will die, not work properly, and finally die. Cytoplasm and other organelles will also come out. Question number 6. Define the term cell for plants and animals. Name the different organelles that make a cell. Explain why none of these is called the structural and functional unit of life. Answer. Cell is the smallest unit of life. It is the building block of all living organisms. It is fundamental and structural unit of life. Different organelles in a cell are nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi complex, plastid, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, vacuoles, lysosomes. Why? Each cell organelle have only one function to do and can live inside cell only. They cannot live and work alone, but the whole cell with all organelles together work as the structural and functional unit of life. A cell can live alone. Example, amoeba.